Hi students, this is a video that's being prepared to guide you about how to use the application of Zoom. So the first step to using the Zoom is to log on to the relevant website of Zoom, and the website is zoom.us. When you would log on to the website of Zoom, so you would have to actually scroll on the website of the Zoom, and at the bottom of the website you would find this specific black colored portion. In that specific black colored portion, there is going to be a download link where you should click on this meeting client. Once you would click on the meeting client, so you would come across various types of downloadable files. So amongst those various types of downloadable file, you have to choose this specific file, which is Zoom client for meetings. Once you have downloaded this file, you will go on to install the Zoom application. And once the Zoom application is being installed, the next step is going to be that on your desktop, you will have this Zoom application. And when you will click on this specific Zoom application, this is a type of a screen that's going to come up. So you'll have two options. One of them is to sign in, and the other one of them is to join a meeting. You don't have to click on sign in. You just have to click on join a meeting, because as a student, you don't need to be registered with Zoom. So you click on join a meeting. Once you would click on the join a meeting, so your tutor or the organization which you are taking classes from would have provided you with a meeting ID. So you would input the meeting ID here. And remember, you put in your first and the last name here. The reason being that in order to ensure that your tutor gets to know that who is being connected to the meeting. And try to put these two checks, which is remember my name for future meetings and turn off my video. Now, why is it that you have to turn off your video? The reason being that once your video starts, it becomes very distractive for the tutor and for the other participants of the meeting. So you should turn off your video. Then you would click on this join meeting. And once you would join the meeting, there is actually going to be this specific screen that would come up. So what you should do is that you should click on join with computer audio. But before that, you should click on this so that in future you don't have to come up with this specific screen. So you should click on this automatically join audio by computer when joining a meeting. Then click on join with computer audio. Then you will actually be able to see the presenter's screen. So you could see that this is what a presenter screen was right now. The test window, that's what he was writing. And here at the bottom, you would see this mentioned as mute, start video, invite, participants, share screen, chat, record. So if you look at this specific video, it's actually a cancellation sign that's actually put on the video. That means your video is stopped, but your mic is unmute. So ideally speaking, you should actually mute your mic also, because then there is a background noise that comes into the meeting and everyone gets disturbed. So you should actually click on this mute here also. And in case if you wish to discuss anything with the presenter, you should click on this chat window and you should write down the chat. So this is how it's going to operate. Here is this specific control panel that's being actually explored over here. And if you, in case if you wish to leave the meeting, you should just click on the leave meeting and you will be out of the meeting. So that's it, and you can now go on and enjoy your experience of Zoom. Thank you very much.